Global Shop Solutions accounting application gives you everything you need to get rid of spreadsheets and take control of your finances. This application makes financial management easy. Track receivables, payables, and generate reports, all with real-time visibility and control. Let's explore a few key features. The AR Aging Dashboard provides instant insights into customers, invoices, and balances. Filter data to focus on key accounts and automate overdue payment follow-ups to improve cash flow. Managing outbound invoices is simple with the AP Aging Review. Monitor payments, track due dates, and gain clear insights into accounts payable. The General Ledger offers complete financial transparency. Quickly locate records, drill down into journal entries, and generate reports with ease. The Sales History Dashboard helps analyze trends, pricing, and profit margins, enabling smart, data-driven decisions. This dashboard gives a real-time view of ROI, cash flow, and other key financial indicators, all in one place. Think of it as your business scoreboard, keeping you informed and in control. No matter your accounting needs, the accounting application has you covered. Seamlessly integrated with our full ERP suite, it helps you manage your finances and close month-end faster and more accurately.